What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to the dealership and then buy our new truck. This is a 100 subscriber special video too. At the same time we're buying a truck. So like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and let's get to this video.
Like a big brother and a big sister, and you know.
Alright, ready enough?
He has to take care of them.
Oh yeah.
He worked too much.
Oh no, poor guy.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
Look at this cool truck though. Isn't this thing awesome?
Look at that.
I hear you're gonna drive it
Ooh.
to school on the first day of school, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. My manager was really just telling me what to ask you because it's gonna make your seats last longer when you step up and like seat, you know. So, yeah, so we have the step rails without the discount.
Squidward.
Squidward, I will call you Patrick, I will call you Squidward.
I like Patrick, the character.
You look like Patrick.
I like Patrick, the character. I'll call you Squidward instead.
That thing looks very heavy, but I believe you just lift this thing. Oh, there's something. Yeah, there's some clip right there, and voila, you can see this. You can see 5.7 liters V8. I guess that's it. The humongous battery right there. I have no idea, the control computer, something like that. I'm not good at cars, but I will try my best to explain things. The power steering, the washer fluid right there. What's that? Oh, the coolant things right there. I don't know. I don't know which thing this is. I have no idea what kind of engine oil thing it is, but you can see it's a V8 engine, like one of the last V8 Tundras that they're going to make. Like in the 2022 model, they will make a Tundra but V6, and I don't think V6 will be good. Like, look at this. And I believe this is the sensor right there if you get close to a car. So look at this. Me as the biggest one in the whole family, like, look at this leg room. Like, I can fit in front and I can fit in the back. Like, look at this leg room. Like, that's very huge. I'm probably 6'1", I have no idea, but I'm probably the size of a basketball player, a average basketball player. So but you have a lot of leg room, like right here. You have everywhere a lot of leg room. So let's take a moment, like, to say thank you for 100 subscribers. So I will show you the comments saying congrats, and there's a shout out, and yeah. So I reached 100 subscribers finally. Like, since I don't know how much I've been asking, but probably for a long time. But still, I reached 100 subscribers. Now I will try to make better videos, like, for you guys. Try to reach my next goal 200 and 500, then go on like that. But I'm here to take a moment to say thank you so much. Like, basically this video was a 100 subscriber special. It's buying a truck for 100 subscriber, but still we're going to buy the truck anyways. I just very happy 100 subscriber. Now I'm growing like crazy. Like, before 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but right now it's going like it's been like 50, 60, 70, 80 very fast. So my next goal is 200. I have no idea what I'm going to do with the 200 subscriber special, but I'm going to make a video still. But please share this channel to all your family, friends. Yeah, family, friends, right? Yeah. And I will try to make most entertaining video and I can possibly can. Perfecto. Okay, but yeah. So yeah, thank you very much. Like, thank you a lot. And yeah, that's it for this what you call it, the appreciation. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.